Hi. So a friend gave me homemade, this is called a Crab Rangoon, and it has crab inside and also cream cheese and I and a little sauce. So I'm putting that sauce on there and then I'm going to take a bite. Uh, it's a bit of an unusual taste to me. Um, because the texture of cream cheese is kind of soft and gooey, and the crab is more firm. Um, so I like it. I think probably if I had it more, I would get more used to it and probably come to like it more. At the moment when I take that bite, the mixture of textures is really surprising to my mouth. Um, the tastes, the cream cheese is kind of mild. Crab, I guess, is kind of mild too, but it's still a little stronger as being meat. So that kind of contrast is also surprising to my mouth. I kind of like it. It's different. I think it might I might like it more with more getting used to. Anyway, it's been neat to try. Um, it's basically, I think it's in a wonton wrapper, and as I said, the principal ingredients are cream cheese and crab. The Rangoon, I think it may have been named after a city, a big city in Malaysia, a main city in Malaysia or Burma. Not sure on that one. I'm not sure how the being homemade affects it. It may be it'd be interesting to eat one that was professionally made and see if it's different or similar. I probably wouldn't go buy one to buy and see what the contrast is, but if I got a chance, it would be interesting. Hey guys, after I made that first segment, I realized, well, let's see, I was trying to explain why the the dish, the the food was so, the piece of food was so shocking to my mouth, and I don't think I did it well there. Um, I think I said that the crab seemed milder than the cream cheese, but reading online, most people think the crab is actually a stronger taste. Or wait, what did I say? I said the cream cheese seemed milder than the crab, but most people seem to think that the cheese is actually a stronger taste than the crab. Um, so I don't know. I don't see though why that would explain why it's shocking in my mouth. I will say that cream. Let's see. Hold on a second. I will say that cream. This is a cream container. You can read it says heavy whipping cream, and I do drink this straight sometimes, and people cook with it. People put a little bit sometimes in their coffee. I will say that as someone who's drunk cream straight, it's pretty shocking to your mouth when you just drink pure cream. If you've never done it, give it a try, and you'll be surprised. It's I don't know exactly why it's shocking, but it is. And the cream cheese in the Crab Rangoon is made partly from cream, so that could be part of it, but I don't think that's all of it. Um, I'm not sure. It might be. I know cheesecake, which is often made with cream cheese, which means it has cream in it. I don't think cheesecake is particularly shocking to the mouth, um, to my mouth. I don't know what the explanation is, why it was shocking. I think it's possible that any combination of some kind of cheese and seafood or fish maybe would be shocking to my mouth. I was reading that that Italians don't combine fish and cheese in their cooking. I mean, I'm sure. I don't know if that's true. Um, if someone watches this, they may have found Italian dishes that do combine them, but it did seem to say that online, and maybe that's shocking. If I were if I weren't really particular about my diet, I suppose I could buy some fish and melt it onto or melt some cheese onto it and just see if that combination is shocking. Um, so really, I don't know at this point. I did enjoy the Crab Rangoon. I I found that it was shocking when it went in my mouth, but a good kind of shocking. Some people might not like the shocking, even if it's a good shocking. The shocking itself might be uncomfortable to their mouth. If it works that way, I mean, I would think that everybody's mouths and the taste buds work differently, so I don't know. But if someone else found it shocking, even though it was a good shocking, they might just find the shocking unpleasant. I guess it'd be interesting to know how popular Crab Rangoon is. I guess I could look online and see how it's rated. By the way, if you like my content, do subscribe, rate and comment, and uh, if I think of anything to say after the video, I'll write in the details underneath, or conceivably make another video, although I finished the Crab Rangoon, so another video about the topic might be a bit weak. So I didn't, so I enjoyed it. I'd eat it again. It's somewhat exotic by taste for me by being that shocking. I would recommend that if you've never tried it, you try it. But of course, I don't know if you'll like it. If you try it, maybe somehow find a way to acquire just one piece and take a little nibble, take a small bite to see what you think. But if you don't like it, don't throw the rest away. Food waste is not good. Find something to do with it. Maybe someone else in your household will like it. But I don't yet feel like I've explained why the shocking. I looked into it online. I posed the question on Reddit and Quora, which are question and answer sites, and nothing came. I got feedback, but nothing came back that really seemed definitive or authoritative. So for the moment, I mean, in a sense, it doesn't matter. If it tastes good and it's enjoyable, I don't suppose one needs to explain why, but it's kind of fun to try to explain it.